Ayun guys, dahil nga birthday ng aking brother-in-law ko, so nag-prepare kami ng mga lulutuin. Siyempre siya yung master chef na magtuturo sa amin kung ano yung gagawin. Siya rin yung yan, meron kaming deviled egg, pumpkin pie, tapos we have American salad, tapos banana cake, coffee jelly, and there's more. Ayun guys, we're going to cook some pumpkin pie. Sa luto na yan. Meron pa dun sa niluluto pa. Ayun guys, bali after namin ma-oven yung kalabasa, tinanggal namin yung balat, then nilagay namin sa food processor na machine para madurog siya. So ayan na yung result ng kalabasa. So guys, this is how to make, what do you call this? Pumpkin pie. And guys, we have two sets of pumpkin pie. So yan na yung may natira. So guys, we still have a new recipe like for macaroni salad.
Right. Let's start with 1 cup of mayo.
1 cup of mayo. So guys, naka-file yung lulutuin namin for today. Ayan, meron kami macaroni salad, deviled eggs, and pumpkin pie. Two cups? How many cups?
2/3.
2/3 cup. 2/3.
Granulated sugar.
Okay.
Okay, sugar's in.
2.5 tablespoon of what's the mustard?
Yep, yellow mustard.
Yellow mustard. Ayan guys, bali minimix namin yung dressing ng salad para maging masarap, kumpleto. Stateside yung ano natin, chef cook natin. Kaya sarap dapat. 1.5 teaspoon of salt.
We're using a 1/2 teaspoon to measure because the other one's busy. Okay. Then
We will mix.
mix it all up. Right. Chop up the vegetables that go in. I get rid of this.
Masarap to guys. This is ingredients from USA, American. Yeah guys. So guys, yan yung ilalagay lahat sa salads. Mix na namin dito. This side naman guys, maggagawa kami ng deviled egg. Ayan. Siyempre ang akin. Ayan guys. Ito. Later, magiging deviled egg na yan. So, ayan, gumagawa kami ng dough. Nagawa na pala. Para sa... Paano ka ba humawak ng itlog?
May pagka-itlog na yung itlog talaga. Lamas.
Oh, grabe.
Pagka ganito itlog.
Yan, ganyan. So, ayan na guys, yung dough na pumpkin pie. Diyan nilalagay yung pumpkin pie mo kaya.
You gotta fight it, so you always
Make some hole para
around the edges, everywhere.
this side naman guys yung macaroni. Pinapakuluan. This is for the deviled egg guys. So guys, ayan. Sinalang na yung lalagyan ng pumpkin pie. Sa nila 4 minutes like that. Pinapadry. So ayan guys. Oh. So guys, ayan, kailangan i-separate to kasi mamaya ilalagay yun dyan sa loob. The toppings na yan.
Pie filling. Most people buy it in a can. We make ours scratch. Yeah, you gotta stir that all up.
Ay, pwede ba marunong ka magawa ng pumpkin
You mix
soup?
it in with your fork.
Nah?
or however
Pumpkin.
you want to mix it.
Pumpkin.
And when you're ready,
I like it. Give me, I will do like this.
Ayan, ready na guys yung salad namin. Next is for pumpkin pie.
Yung akin na yan. Yan akin na sa kanya. May tumulog. Teka lang. Huwag mo muna bukatin. Sandali.
Vinegar.
Ani, this now you may still have. I will eat it with the
Alright.
Ay na. Maganda tayo ng salad.
freshly ground black pepper. You mix the fish.
Nakaluto ka na. Saan mo nakilo kasi dyan?
And when they want put it all together.
So guys, ito yung lalagay dun para sa deviled egg.
Ha?
Kaya lang, gusto din magla.
This side naman guys, for coffee jelly. Ito yung coffee na lalagay.
Commercial. Ano yun? Commercial.
Guys.
Ito. Pwede nga yung i-ano eh. Yung kailan mo ito.
So ayan guys, paprika. Manghangin o atin.
Hindi naman.
Di ba?
Hindi ko nga nalalasa kung ano.
Ito na.
Ito parang ako.
Guys, ito na yung finished product ng pumpkin pie. And this is for the coffee jelly. Palalamigin lang siya dyan guys. Top 2 coffee jelly.
Baka madalaan siyang ko dyan.
Kala ko ang cookies.
Luto na yun eh. Di ba, ma?
Yes. Bakit?
Kulbitan
Yan
lang.
yung finished product niya.
Hindi ko nakita ako sa sila.
Ika!
Ngiti talaga akong mukha.
For this kabechi, yan. Sarap.
Sweet and sour.
Baka naman din.
And this is for ano yun? Lumpia. Pumpkin.
Vegetable spring roll.
Pumpkin kind.
Huwag kang ulit ulitin.
Para ka to.
For spaghetti. Oh, wow. Huh? Sure.
Kailangan natin na isa pang lobo. Parang hindi ka nagpapawis naghahakot, no? Si Jimmy, nung nag-akot, sabi ko sa'yo.
This is kabeching tilapia.
Where's the kanin?
Chara, paano ko
Ready for pasta?
Yep.
Ito yung coffee jelly guys nandito sa loob. Ito talaga guys yung para sa akin.
Hindi naman
Siyempre.
grabe ka naman.
Ito yung masarap sa lahat eh. So yun guys, yan po yung mga menu na niluto namin.